Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Young Chizzy. Just want to give a massive shout out to RUNNEROO for sending me this box. It came yesterday. I was going to open it tomorrow, but these two insisted that I open it today because they want to see what's inside. Alright, so let's just open and see what's inside. So RUNNEROO, they sell things from Zimbabwe and whatever you want. Like, I've been on their website, www.runneroo.co.uk. I'll put it in the description as well, and I'll put it on the screen as well so that you see. Okay, let's take this. It says fragile, so I'm trying not to be very violent with it.
Yes.
Oh. Here we go.
Mazete.
Mazete. One thing that I can say is they wrap these things very well. Alright, let's see what's inside. First.
Oh my god.
Conkos. You can hear my sister in the background going like, oh.
Wow, Conkos.
I like these.
Yeah, wow, you like those? Mama's Gucci voice.
Alright, another one. Things. Well, what I like as well is everything is wrapped. And also like you won't complain like, oh, something is squeezed. Wait, Mama, you're taking everything one by one. Oh, what? Chibuku.
International beer. Shake, shake, shake. Chibuku. International beer. Shake, shake, shake. International beer.
I'm gonna drink it tonight.
Chibuku. International beer. Shake, shake, shake. International beer.
I guess that was the theme song. I've never heard this before. So it'll be my first time actually trying it. Yeah, oh wow. Do they do those big skies? They don't do sky boxes anymore. Okay, we'll try. I'll try this off camera. Alright, then we have, obviously, you can't go to a Zimbabwean shop or order something from a Zimbabwean shop and not order lemon creams.
Yes, that's good.
You like lemon creams?
Yes, I love those. You like lemon creams then? Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I love that.
Lemon creams with tea or mazot. The tea.
For me, it's vanilla creams.
Wow. And finally, a packet of maputi. And the maputi as well. Look how wrapped the maputi is. You won't complain. You won't even complain like your food is not delivered properly. On this camera, you can look. So let's check which. Alright, so we got maputi. Personally, I don't like maputi, but I know these two appreciate them.
Yeah, it's good food.
Good food sorted.
But
anyways, what else? Yeah, so that's everything. And so, oh, they actually even put a thank you card inside as well. So guys, support your fellow Zimbabweans. It's runneroo.co.uk, and I'll put the numbers and the socials as well on the in the description as well, and I'll put the socials as well on the screen. So make sure you order their stuff because I know definitely I'm going to be ordering. And yeah, enjoy.